Okay, here we go with another example. This time we have chain rule involving e. Okay, so video from the other day, we know that e to the x's derivative is e to the x. It derives to itself. And that should have allowed you to complete the trigonometric and exponential derivatives worksheet now that you knew that. We don't have e to the x this time. We now have e to another function, or if you will, e to the ugly. Okay, so we're saying this ugly thing, that means chain rule. So what's our job? We're going to derive the outside, we're going to keep the inside, and then we're going to derive the inside. We're going to multiply by the derivative of the ugly thing at the very end. Okay, so e to the x derives to e to the x, therefore e to the ugly derives to e to the ugly. Okay, so in essence, as we derive the outside function, e derives to e. Okay, so e derives to e. We're not making any changes like we did with the last video where sine derived to cosine. E's derivative is e. Okay, so technically we derived it. I don't know, it's not English class. Technically we took the derivative, but nothing changed because e is its own derivative. Okay, now we're going to keep the inside function. Okay, so we have x to the fifth minus 2x, keeping that where it was in the exponent. But we're not done because we need to derive the inside function. Okay, and what is the derivative of x to the fifth minus 2x? Yeah, it's 5x to the fourth minus 2. Now, question always comes up, does this go up in the exponent? No. Okay, well, when we multiply by the derivative of ugly, okay, that is always going on the base level. So we're down here on the base level, we've got 5x to the fourth minus 2, and we're done.